Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat Sangma ulay tho baga kanhun Menteri Kalamanjur ya ka draft jong ka resolution ban persya ya ka jingti uranium na Kajala. Ya kani ka resolution an sawanra ha kani ka dorbar ka ban sawan ka ban sedang ha ka arpu sautrik ubanay nailar. Kajing persya jong gipat ba kamtam kitu kibana Southwest Khasi Hills District ha ba uni umar po khendo udon ha kijaka kum ka dom yasiat wa kaji bat ka mau thaba.
Sir, uranium mining resolution. Apart from this, sir, there has been a demand for the government to consider removing the AMD office from Shillong. So, what is the take of your?
Yeah, so as I said, all of these are the intent of the government. But right now, as I said, the resolution is very clear that we are appealing to Government of India that any form of mining or any kind of activity in relation to uranium should not be done in the state of Meghalaya. So once that is moved, then obviously all steps from our side in every possible way to ensure that none of these activities takes place, all efforts will be made from our side.